In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a formula to multiple cells in Excel. This is a pretty straightforward tutorial, and once you get the hang of it, you'll be using this technique all the time to streamline your work. Imagine starting with a cell that's already formula-driven. Copying and applying this formula across other cells can save you quite a bit of time and effort. So let's dive into how you can achieve this efficiently. To begin, let's consider a common scenario where you need to calculate the sum of numbers in a column. Say your first task is to create a simple sum formula for this column. You'd start by clicking on the cell where you want your sum result to appear. Here, you'll type the formula, equals, followed by sum. It's time to define the cell range you want to sum up. Click and drag over the cells you want to include within this column. As a result, you'll instantly see the total pop up in the cell you selected. Now, it wouldn't be very efficient to repeat this step individually for every column, would it? Here's a trick. Once you've created the formula for the first column, point your cursor to the bottom right-hand corner of that cell. You'll notice a small square, better known as the fill handle. Click and hold this square, then drag it across to cover the other columns you wish to include. Instantly, Excel will replicate your formula across these columns, calculating the respective sums for each. It's as simple as that. There's no need to worry if there are blank cells among your columns. The process will handle those without issue, skipping them as necessary. Excel is pretty smart about ignoring empty spaces, ensuring your calculations remain accurate. And there you have it, folks. By following these steps, you can efficiently copy and apply formulas across multiple cells in your Excel worksheet. This method not only saves you time, but also reduces the margin for error as you're cutting back on repetitive manual input. I hope this was a helpful guide and made your Excel workflow a bit smoother. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to refresh your memory or tackle a new spreadsheet. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you all in the next tutorial. Happy Excelling!